Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a face pack powder for clear skin which contains salicylic acid or BHA with kitchen ingredients. The ingredients that would make this face pack would be in powder form. You can take gram flour, almond powder, masoor ki dal, methi powder or coconut powder, oats, fennel, something which would suit your skin. Here I've used coconut powder and fennel seeds, which are the leftover of my previous videos. So this would be my base for the face pack powder. So you can check out my other videos so that you can see how I made this face pack powder. There are a lot of benefits of using your own homemade face pack powder. First of all, you will know what ingredients go into it. Secondly, you can choose your own ingredient depending on your skin type and it will be cost effective and there will be no preservatives also. Apart from all this, the homemade face pack powder with regular use will improve your skin type, skin texture. It will reduce pimples, acne and also bring glow to your face because of the ingredients you have used. After you have collected all the ingredients for this face pack, you need to grind it into fine powder. After grinding, separate the fine into coarse powder. The coarse one would go as bath powder. I have a video on that, you can check it out. The fine powder would become the base for your face pack. You can use other ingredients for this face pack to make it more luxurious, like rose petal, avarampu, any flowers which would suit your skin. Even you can use turmeric, white turmeric or even kashkash, something which is luxurious. So here I'm adding hibiscus flower powder. I'll take half teaspoon of this to the 2 tablespoons of the base face pack. Then neem powder. Neem powder is a good antioxidant. It has antibacterial properties which would reduce pimples on your skin. The next ingredient is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder will help to even out your skin tone and also adds glow to your face. The next is sandalwood powder. This will reduce suntan and also reduce the signs of aging such as dry skin and wrinkles. So these are the ingredients which I have collected for my face pack powder. So the next main ingredient would be this salicylic acid or BHA. This is the Disprin tablet which is easily available in any medical store. I am adding one tablet for this total 100 grams of the face pack powder which I have taken. Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid. It will reduce acne by exfoliating the skin and also remove dead cells from the top layer and decrease the redness and swelling. This will decrease the number of pimples that form and speeds up healing. I'm adding one tablet for this entire face pack powder. You need to crush it before adding. After adding this tablet to this face pack powder, you need to mix it thoroughly. Mixing helps the salicylic acid get evenly distributed in the face pack powder. After mixing it thoroughly, you can store this in an airtight container for more than 3 months. So to use this, you just need to first cleanse your face and take 1 teaspoon of this face pack powder. Then you can mix it with rose water or plain water. Do not use any acidic mixers like yogurt or lemon juice because the salicylic acid will not go well with such acidic nature of any mixers. So here I'm using rose water to mix this. Before applying this on your face, just do a patch test because salicylic acid may cause some irritation for sensitive skin. Otherwise, you can just add half a tablet for this entire mix, 100 grams of the face pack powder. So this is work wonders for all skin types. This will reduce pimples and also improve your skin tone. So you can see this works within 1 month of regular use. Just use twice a week and see how it works for you. So if you like such more DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please share this, and thanks for watching.